Ay, oh. Nakakuha niyo siya. Wala din siya dito.
Here at Campo.
Pero,
Pero siya connected ba?
pero on siya.
Alright, so as you can see, dami siyang room. First house pa lang ito. Meron pa doon sa kabila. It's her birthday. Of all the years on that room. Another bedroom. Ah, it's a comfort room. Another bedroom here, guys. Ayan. You have some friends. Sandanas siya, guys. That's the view. You can open it. Ouch. Alright, there you go. Hi, Nana. Lamig ng hangin, guys. Hi! Let's go to the other room. Yes.
Ano, where's the
This is the salad and the kitchen.
Kailangan niyo ng ano?
Ayan, dirty kitchen, guys. It's my cousin's birthday. I'm sorry, me. There's a cat. It's so hello, guys. We're here. All expense paid by our tita and my sister's fiance. Yes, because it's worth vlogging. It's because, oh my god, the camera could not even give justice sa ganda niya, guys. So there's a swing here. This is for my YouTube channel, Nana. Here's the other room. So meron din siyang, ayan! Kung marami kayo, guys. Di, okay lang i-vlog? I-vlog? Alright, so ito yung comfort room. Ang laki ng comfort room. Ang lamig-lamig, guys. So, nito yung switch. Oh my gosh! Hello! Ang ganda. Yes! There's another bathroom here. Yeah. Yes. Yes, there's another stairs pa. Kaya na pa man room sa ibabaw good.
Oh, so awesome.
So awesome. Do you like it here? Hello, kadako sa place. Ayan, guys. So, if ever marami kayo, saktong-sakto. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos nandun ba sa baba? Meron pa. Tapos sa kabilang bahay, meron pa. Yan, same view. And another. Ang lakas ng wifi niya, guys. So, that's why. Careful na ka.
Okay.
Sulit na sulit. And later, I will share how much lang yung nabayaran natin. So, there's a parking lot din sa taas. So, mag-walk lang kami dito. Nak, come here, Nak! Dali! Naiibong adar na dire. Ayan, guys. Yung view, oh my gosh. Priceless. Come on, come on! Ayan siya, guys. Bahay talaga siya, guys. Ang ganda, ganda, ganda. Look, ay! It's like Ibon Adarna. Hello, what's that? What is that?
Hello.
Hello, Oy.
Hello. My many chickens.
It's It's not chicken. Oy. Ay, oh, di. Ay, tama di. There's a chicken sa ubos. These are peacock.
Hi, peacock.
It's a peacock.
Hello,
peacock.
Sobrang
Sobrang laki niya, guys. Alright, so come on, Nana. Ang laki-laki niya, guys.
Bye, peacock and chicks. Lilikot ka na, og.
Hello, papi. Madre agi. Tapos, may bahay pa dun sa baba. Kasi marami daw itong bahay.
Didi ko mag-
Like venue and everything. Ayan siya, guys. Merong swing.
Mama, magsunod.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Hello. Ang ganda-ganda, guys. Super ganda. Tapos ang lamig. Kasi it's in Buda. Wow, pool! Ang laki din ng kanilang table. Tita! Nganong nadala ang silopin sa cake? Nadala ang silopin sa cake pero ang cake wala. Hello guys! I-upload ni sa YouTube guys. Nana sila there guys. Yes, it's a vlog for the YouTube channel. Nga nadala ang cellophane pero ang cake wala. Ayan, ang laki-laki ng pool guys. Meron ding shower area sa baba. Ayan, ito daw guys is kung meron nang gusto magbakasyon at dalawa lang kayo, it's only for 2,500. Ang ganda, ganda. Ang ganda. Hello. Merong free dispenser, merong free refrigerator, merong free utensils. Yan siya guys. It's my cousin's birthday. It's her 20th. And then, another is, parang way na lang din namin to like inhale and exhale after the loss of our lola. Kasi this has been one of her dreams na makapunta ng Buddha. And, hindi na namin nagawa. Because, I guess dahil busy na yung mga tao. And don't get me wrong, nakapag-travel naman si Lola. Like, most of her life nasa abroad siya. Kasi she was an OFW. And then nakapag-Japan din. Kasi she looked after her youngest daughter. Kasi nung nagbuntis si tita. Most of her life, she spent it taking care of her family. So it's like, this is also our way of honoring her. We remember her here in this area. Okay, so this vlog is for our memory lane na maalala namin na for once in our life. Meron kaming getaway. Okay, you can bring si Sia. But bring her back here, ha? Go with ate siya.
Dapat sa mic na siya.
Merong free video ko.
Ang sa kuan.
Say hi, guys. Oh my God, busy sila, guys.
Dapat ang
Alright, so that would be all, guys. Thank you so much sa pag-watch ng vlog ko. Nak, go! You can watch the peacock. Bring si Sia.
okay, so much.
Square meters, no?
わかります。フリーズの割合ともう 両面の左元をチェックしてください。今すぐ左元の右
Nalagi kalsada.
ビールズを始めましょう。絶対に後悔はさせません。
Ano sa balay? Swim si Ino sa swimming pool. Swimming? Swim na? Funny pa.
Ako kay ang pool di ay no. Pwede di like karang mga birthday. Hinero lo ha. Taas mo. Exercise juga lo.
Asa naman ito ko lang.
Mao? Pero okay raman ang panaog lo. Ang pasakar lo. Oh, yara. Wala mo siya gipadalag kuan. Nitabang man ang kuan. Kana ang caretaker. Nitabang itong duha ka caretaker. Pagbitbit.
Asa si Sia?
Nato sa kyan na natug. Halagi, welcome ka tita. Nakahiring guro nga naihapon.